Hey everyone, ever look up at your ceiling fan and think, wow, that's a lot of dust? You're not alone. Those blades collect so much gunk, and when you turn it on, it just showers your room with dust bunnies. Not exactly fresh air, right? Plus, all that buildup can make your lights look dim and dreary. But don't worry, cleaning it is easier and safer than you think. First, always turn off the power at the switch and the breaker box. Safety first. Grab a sturdy step ladder, not a wobbly chair. Now, here's a genius hack. Take an old pillowcase, slide it over one blade at a time, and pull it back. All the dust gets trapped inside the pillowcase, not on your floor or face. For any leftover grime, a quick wipe with a damp cloth does the trick. Just like that, you've got cleaner air, a brighter room, and a fan that works like new. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple home hacks. Thanks for watching.